Hi, I am Avi Upadhyay, your parenting coach. If your kids have exam in March, April, May or any month of the year, then this video will make a lot of sense to you. I am going to talk on 5 ways in which you can reduce stress for your kids in exam time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will find a lot of videos which are very important from kids and parenting perspective. Watch this video till the end. And coming to the topic of stress during exam time, right? Now kids would have prepared for last 3 weeks, 3 months, 1 week, whatever may be the case. But the point is, during exam time there would be some amount of stress. It can be high, it can be less, but the point is kids are going through stress during exam time. What are the ways in which they can reduce stress? And this is an area in which they can do individually. They can do it in 15 minutes. And after a lot of understanding on this subject, I have arrived at 5 ways in which you can reduce stress. And this is something which is easy. Your kids can do at home. It will take only 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and whatever break time they have during their preparation time for exam, they can do this, and it can relieve their stress in a very beautiful form. And I have tested this, known this, and seen results where when they do it, it has a fantastic impact or result on the stress. In fact, some of the areas which I'm going to suggest will reduce stress for you as a parent also, right? So watch this video till the end and you'll find a lot of useful tips I'm sharing on what are ways in which you can reduce stress, what are the stress buster for your kids during exam time. Just hold for a sec. I am sharing my slides to you. Yeah, here we go. Right. What are the 5 stress buster for kids during exam time? The first is mandala art book. This may be coming as a surprise to you. What is mandala art? Mandala art is an art form in which you will have these images which are very nice geometrical shape, very symmetrical shape, right? And this is there can be various shapes, right? But I am suggesting this symmetrical shape, and you can see here in the screen you can get this mandala book. There's a mandala book on Amazon and you can order this, and it has, if you look at the page, it has every page a different design which is maybe a square, a circle with flower, lot of things. All are in black and white, they all sketches. But what you need to do, you can take color pencil, sketch pen, watercolor, but ideally sketch pen is very nice. And in this 15 minutes your kids have, maybe give them colors to them, and they can do this drawing in this mandala art book. Now you may be surprised and tell, Mahavir, this is a bit kiddish. It is not. In fact, this particular mandala art form has been proved that it is a great stress buster for adults also, right? Because what happens when you take that pen, sketch pen, or a color pencil, or a paintbrush, and when you do it, your mind is completely absorbed in doing that particular shape and form, putting a red color there, yellow color there, blue color there. And that is why when you are completely engrossed, something which is away from study, you will feel relaxed, you will feel better, you will feel recharged. In that 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time your kids want to have break and you want them to be stress relief, you can do this. And this book is available in Amazon. You can order it, you can buy from the nearby stationery shop, and whenever they have the break time, they can pick any of the design and do it. I'll tell you, it is such a wonderful and relaxing feeling. It has to be experienced. And for you as a parent, when you go through stress time for whatever reasons, you can also do it. But definitely gift one mandala book to your kid. The kid can be in 3rd standard, 5th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, whatever standard. But the point is, when they go through this particular mandala art book, they will find it very interesting. And the more than this stress, equal to stress, what will happen is they will feel very nice and joyful when that black and white symmetrical design which you see is filled with colors. And at the time when you look at this particular color form, the satisfaction that I have created something is amazing. It's fantastic. And that is where this particular, I would say, I would rate it very high in terms of a stress buster for kids, right? Very short, I'm telling you, buy this mandala book for your kids. Let them enjoy doing it, whether it is a teenage boy or a teenage girl. You just get color sketch pen and start doing it, one for yourself maybe, but when kids start doing it 15-20 minutes in 2-3 settings in the breaks they have, they can complete this, and it is a beautiful experience seeing that that color and everything come alive, right? That's suggestion one, which is mandala art book. What is number two? Number two is cartoon, right? And this is my favorite one, because I'll tell you, and this I'm suggesting it with, you may have apprehension that again why TV, and I want the kids should watch on a TV instead of a mobile, right? Why TV? Because it's a better viewing experience, and I'm not suggesting for any video game, right? I am suggesting a very lively, very refreshing cartoon like a Tom and Jerry cartoon, or like Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck, or our favorite Charlie and Chaplin. It's so stress busting. It completely relieves you, because there is so much of fun and a complete joy in terms of watching a cartoon of their choice. But definitely 3-4 will be out of 3-4, one would be favorite, maybe Tom and Jerry, or Laurel Hardy, or Charlie Chaplin, or Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, or any one of them. But definitely 10-15 minutes of watching a Charlie Chaplin, one of the scenes or one of the cartoon will make them very relieved, right? This is cartoon. Third is music. Music is a great stress buster. It will relieve stress to an amazing extent, and it can actually recharge your kid who is going through exam stress. And it can be a 5-year-old child, a 10-year-old child, or a 15-18-year-old child, right? This can be instrumental music, it can be playing a music instrument also, but music of any form of their choice, if they listen, it is going to have a very powerful impact on their studies, and it's magical. 15 minutes break, listen to a popular music of their choice, and it has a great impact, right? This is 3, music. And scientists are still discovering the power of music on human brain, because it can make you so much of fully charged with energy, enthusiasm, excitement. It can relieve your stress, you feel so good about it. So it's important is listen to 15-20 minutes of music whenever your kid needs a break, and you think that is the right time in which they can reduce their stress and again come back to that energy level of studying. That's point number 3 of reducing stress through music. What is point number 4? Point number 4 is walking. Now, walking can be in the home also, or it can be outside also. In case in your society there is a place in which they can walk for 15 minutes, brisk walk, that can be absolutely great. Walking is suppose, or any physical activity. For example, they can do skipping at home also. Any physical activity will reduce stress if done for 15-20 minutes. I would suggest walking, because walking is a very nice pleasurable exercise. They can do it in the garden, park, in the society, and if not possible, going outside is not possible during exam time, they can do at home. They can do walking in the home, or they can do skipping with a skipping rope in home. But preferably walking is I would suggest, because definitely there would be some space in which they can take a walk for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or in this current time they can also do at home. But when you walk, actually you will have a lot of stress relieved, and it will give a different level of energy, right? So walking is important, and 15 minutes walk can create that magic in terms of getting back that power, getting back that energy, getting refreshed for the next level of study, right? This is point number 4 in terms of stress busters for studies. And 5th is dark chocolate. This may take you a surprise. You may have read somewhere else, but it's a fact, it's a proven fact which scientists have discovered, that 2-3 things which dark chocolate help. One of them is reducing stress. So maybe a small bite or 2 portions of the chocolate can help reduce stress, can improve memory, right? These are definitely 2 advantages, and beyond which they can help improve your heart situation in terms of, because of the antioxidants which dark chocolate have. But for your kids, important is keeping one or 2 dark chocolate during exam time, and eating in couple of pieces, that small cubes or small square shapes, in in the break time can help them reduce stress. And these are important ones, and I'll tell you, this will really help them to feel better with that 2 or 3 pieces of dark chocolate, and will reduce stress. So which are the 5 stress busters? And this is the summary which I would like to tell. First is mandala art book. You may be surprised, but this is a very powerful stress buster. Second is cartoon. Watching a lovely cartoon like a Tom and Jerry or Charlie Chaplin or a Donald Duck can actually feel very light-hearted and very nice for your kids. Third is music. Music has a great power to reduce your stress and bring back that energy, that refresh, that recharge for your kids to go to the next level of study. Fourth is walking. That physical activity will reduce stress, 15-20 minutes. And fifth is dark chocolate. So these are 5 things. Now, why I have chosen these 5 things? After a lot of deliberation, understanding and research, all of them, each one of them can be done individually by kids. Walking does not require anyone, so is music, so is actually doing a mandala art or eating a chocolate. All can be done individually by your kid for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes in the time in which they have break or they are going through a bit stressful time during exam or during study time. This is absolutely where they can do on their own. They do not require 2-3 people around to play like a sports or a football or a cricket. It is something they can do individually on their own, with walking at home or skipping at home or watching a cartoon like a Charlie Chaplin or just listening to a good music, right? These are 5 things in which the stress can be reduced, and these are I would call stress busters. Now my last, I would say, an appeal or a suggestion or a request is that make study a stress-free experience for your kids. Whether kids have studied throughout the year or they've studied for last 10 days or last 3 weeks, the point is ultimately at some point of you'll realize that there is a lot of competition in the schools and overall academic world, and kids are going through stress. So do whatever, use these tools and techniques like reducing stress for your kids, but create a stress-free experience for your kids so that they feel much better answering that exam. They feel much better actually studying for the next paper or going to the next standard as well, right? This is Mahavir from Awesome Parenting. Click to my subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will definitely share a lot of useful content which will help you in your parenting journey. I want you to be an awesome parent. Awesome parent is one who is engaged with kids and at the same time giving the best to the kids in terms of skill, mindset and habits, right? So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.